Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm gonna take you to Lego store, which has recently opened in the month of May in Gurgaon. So the Lego group opened its first ever certified store in India at Ambience Mall. So it's on the ground floor at Ambience Mall, and it has opened this last month only in the month of May. So, what are you waiting for? Just take your kids here and let them enjoy their summer vacation. So, they have these kind of exclusive Spider Man made from Legos, and they also have this cricketer, large 3D Lego model of the cricketer and the Lego truck. They have wide range of small gift packing, starting from this is the Lego truck over here, all made from the Legos, and it's very kids friendly. Kids were taking pictures inside. Even the adults were coming and taking pictures. It's looking super nice, and look at the detailing here. It's made all from the Lego blocks here. So this store is the largest Lego certified store in South Asia and offers a wide range of exclusive sets, toys, collectibles. It also features popular Lego certified store experiences like the pick up break wall and minifigure factory. So my son was a great fan of this truck. He was clicking so many pictures. Over here you will find so many designs of dinosaurs, and their range starts from 450 and it goes up to 7,000, 70,000. So it is quite expensive, and over here they have spread out lots and lots of Legos, and the kids were making buildings and they were making designs from the Lego blocks, and it's completely free of cost. So you can spend your time here, bring your kids here, and let them have fun during their summer vacation. My son had lots and lots of fun here creating these blocks, and they also get the company of other kids here to design the Lego structures, and you get a wide variety of gifting kits here. And the place was, since we visited on the weekend, it was completely packed. The place was completely packed, and these are all the botanical blocks here. You can buy them, and it's not very cheap, it's quite expensive, but still people were buying them, all the Lego fans and the kids. And look at these houses they have made from Legos. So really nice. We spend a great time here, and look at these designs from Legos. So it's quite exclusive, and I love the place. Uh, and even the adults can go there and enjoy their time here. And over here, you can specially design your Legos. So this is a mini factory here, which recently they haven't started, but very soon they are going to start here. You can design your own Lego sets here. So yeah, something really different and something very kids friendly. So yeah, so apart from being India's first Lego certified store, this also happens to be the largest store in South Asia, spreading in 4,500 square feet area. They have exclusive Lego sets only available at this store, from the large 3D Lego model to the cricketer, the Lego truck, and the India Gate mosaic wall. You can find here these big models, these buildings. So this everything that every Lego fan will blow their mind. So take your kids this summer vacation and build your fun, creativity and more. So do check out. You can also pick up these Legos from here, and you can randomly pick any of the black block from here, and the prices are written here, and then you can pay at the counter. So these small Lego sets separately also you can buy from here. So something very interesting. So these are the big gift sets for Avengers, Batmans, and over here also wide range of the Lego sets. These are all Avengers sets available here. So next time do visit and let me know in the comment section if you like my video, and also whoever has been there, let me know how was their experience. These are the Harry Potter sets available over here. So yeah, this is the counter here for the payment. So this was it. Then we went to another very kids friendly place after this. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna take you to Hamleys as well after this tour. So yeah, do visit Ambience Mall and you can go to both the places here and enjoy your experience here. And it's very kids friendly. Let them explore the place. So over here, this is the car section. Now let me take you to another very nice place.
Yes. We can ride also. Mama, we can ride also. I am over here also. I got it. चलो अरे यहाँ पे cannot make it. Come.
So we visited Hamleys. It's on the first floor, and my son exclusively wanted to buy particular shoes from a brand which was available in Hamleys. So we went there, we explored it for a while. My son had a great time, and they had a coloring station also. So yeah, we had a great time here. We bought a nice pair of shoes from here, and over here this is a coloring station. He had a great time over here after the Legoland. So yeah, it was a fun-filled Sunday. We had a great time here. We enjoyed our weekend. So we actually get to relive our childhood with our kids. Things which we couldn't do, we are able to do it with them, and also they get a good company. So even I like exploring these kind of places with my son. So yeah, look at the soft toy area here. They have wide range of soft toys. And then we went on the food court area to have our food. So I'll just give you a quick tour of this place, and let me know if you like my vlog, and also if you like to see more of the places, such places for the kids, for adults. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and more of such videos. Please subscribe for my channel and stay updated. Until then, thank you, bye bye and good night. And also stay tuned for my next vlog. And also in Hamleys, these Lego sets are available. But the one which I showed you, it's the certified new first store in India, which recently they have launched. So yeah, bye bye, take care and see ya.
These are the ones. और ये लेगो वाला, यहाँ पे भी लेगो होते हैं।